are ready to plant our wheat. You find in this bin here, we've got our fertilizer, which is a basal fertilizer. And in this bin here, we have seed, which is in here. That's the wheat seed, and it's ready to plant. So we are saying, when we come to the field with our planter, we have done our calibration already. But let me just show you where we calibrate in order to make sure that we are applying the recommended fertilizer and seed per unit area, so that we put the correct amount of fertilizer and the correct amount of seed. According to the soil results, you find this field here, they were recommended to put 600 kgs of basal fertilizer compound D, and they are also going to be putting or planting 120 kgs per hectare of seed, because this is seed drill. If they were broadcasting with a Vicon, it was going to be about 130 to 140 kgs per hectare. So in order to achieve the 600 kgs per hectare of basal fertilizer, we've got some gears which are here. These gears here, the bigger it is, the more fertilizer it drops. So this gear here allows the hoppers to drop 600 kgs per hectare. And then on the seed, you find that there's a number which is written here, and the number determines the number of notches which one has to move to calibrate the amount of the required amount of seed per unit area. In this case, we are looking at 120 kgs per hectare, so we calibrate to that. So when it comes to the planter itself, you find the planter has got a chopper in front, and the chopper in front here, since it's a zero tillage planter, you find that there might be some stovers, twigs, anything blocking the way. So this actually chops, opening the way. That's the chopper. And as it cuts the way, you find there's another smaller disc in. So the smaller disc, you find, is going to open the way for the placement of the seed. So you find in this case here, we've got two hoppers. This one here, that's the fertilizer hopper, and this is the seed hopper. This fertilizer hopper is in front, so if we are to open up this, you find this hopper here is deeper than the one for the seed, but just because basal fertilizer is supposed to go below the seed. So as these two are opening, as you can see in front it's one, but it's set in a way that here they become two. So if you see, there's an opening there. There's an opening there, which now when the seed drops, and then just because this is higher, there's a light coverage of fertilizer from there, and then the seed drops. Once it drops, the wheel here plays in a row of closing the seed and also pressing the seed, so that there is good soil to seed contact to enhance germination. This is all about the planter, and once you do that, we tune it well, you find that the work out of our planter is just magnificent, is just excellent.